Hello guys and welcome back to Ivy and Skin. Thank you guys for coming back to this channel. Thank you all my lovely subscribers, all my new subscribers. I thank you guys. You guys are wonderful. You guys are awesome. You guys are the best. Welcome back to Ivy and Skin, and today I want to make a quick video about using CARO White for your skin. Okay, but first I'm going to say kindly click on the subscription button if you're here to subscribe, and the notification bell just so that whenever I post new videos you'll be alerted and you will know. Okay guys, and please I beg you, kindly give this video a thumbs up as well as share this video, please. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into the video. I'm a bit apprehensive making this video. I'm more like compelled to make this video because, as we all know, I mean, if you don't know, well, now you will know. I'll tell you. CARO White is when you want to say toning your skin, lightening your skin, all those things. You know, those are fancy words. But when you want to use, say, bleach your skin, that's CARO White. CARO White bleaches the skin. Okay, it contains a high percentage of hydroquinone. I'm not sure what the percentage is, but you know, the regulated percentage is supposedly 2%, right? I think, yeah. But CARO White has, even the amounts of the percentage that's written on the pack, it's not true. I don't think they actually put the specific amount that is all inside of hydroquinone content. Okay, it has steroids, it has mercury, you know, damaging components for your skin. Okay, but like I said, I'm a bit apprehensive making this video, but I'm more like compelled to. You guys let me know choice. I counted, look, I counted, and I have 23 people questions asking me, please, I'm using CARO White, my friend is using it, they mixed it with this, it was good on their skin, how do I mix it? They won't tell me how they mix their own, so but the skin looks good, and I see that they use CARO White, and I know the smell because it has a distinct smell. Okay, it does have a distinct smell, so like, oh, they won't tell me. So I have 23. I was like, really? Seriously? But 23, so that's like a lot if you ask me. And with that, I just like, okay, I'm gonna find out how one can sort of like reduce the all those damaging chemicals and just reduce the damaging effects and sort of like, you know, romance that damaging ingredients like those hydroquinone and just reduce the frequency of it and find a way to romance this cream that it will not be so rebellious to your skin, but it will work on your skin, give you that glow. And my dear, long story short, I found a way to work around it. Am I using it? No. I mixed it and I gave it to somebody, the person that brought the cream, and said, please mix for me, find a way we can do this. And to be honest, when I did mix, I tried several times taking the cream and putting it out so that if it goes dark, you know that the chemicals, steroids and mercury in there are quite high. So I did that several times, and when I saw that I put the right percentage of less, I found out I have put enough ingredients to lessen the effect of the mercury, the steroids and hydroquinone. The darkening effect reduced tremendously. So I was like, that's it. So yes, without wasting much of time, guys, I'm going to show you and give you the recipe on how to. Pardon me, like I said, I still don't have my workstation ready, so all I do is just give you the recipe, and I'll make sure I give you the detailed measurement in a way that it'll be so easy for you to do. Trust me on that. So guys, without wasting much of your time, I'll say please again, kindly subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. Please subscribe, and I'll show you the recipe for the CARO White, how you can use it to give you a glowing, smooth caramel. skin tone. And let me put a warning here. If you're chocolate, the only way you can use this recipe I'm giving you is if you want to go to caramel. Okay? If you want to get higher than caramel, my dear, that means you will not mix it too much. You will leave that steroid, you mix it like 70-30. And I don't advise that, because from all I've gotten, heard about CARO white, it gives stretch marks, it gives white spots, it damages the skin, it does all the bad things. It's a bad boy. CARO white is a bad boy. So, no, I will not say if you want to go more higher than caramel, you should use it. The only way I can tell you how to use it is how to get achieve a caramel skin tone. But then, if you're chocolate that wants to go to caramel, do. If you're dark that wants to go to chocolate, stay away. This mixture, this recipe is only for people that want a caramel skin tone. If you're a dark skin, do not jump into caramel immediately. Take it one step at a time. First of all, go to chocolate, hot chocolate. If you want to know how to achieve a hot chocolate skin tone, I have about few videos with us. Please check down. You will see it. Glooper, Navia, how to get a chocolate, hot chocolate skin tone. Okay, but do not jump from dark to caramel. Go step by step. You will love your skin. First of all, go to hot chocolate before you go to caramel. Okay, so this recipe is only for caramel skin tone. So this is the measurement. Get a cup of CARO white, this one, okay? I think this is about 500 grams thereabout. Not this one, not the lotion. The lotion is too runny for this mixture. Instead, go for the cup CARO white, this one precisely, the cream, CARO white cream. This CARO white cream, you get 5 spoons of it, 5 tablespoons of CARO white cream. Then get to Jergens lotion. Any Jergens lotion is fine. You can get Jergens lotion, okay, 4 tablespoons of it, or you can get Vaseline cocoa lotion, okay. Please use this product I'm calling, or Dove, any Dove lotion. You get why? Use these lotions, 4 tablespoons of them, okay, 4 tablespoons. Then aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons of it. Shalom stretch marks oil, 10 ml. As you know, this help diminishes the appearance of stretch marks, and it also prevents it. So 10 ml of Shalom stretch marks oil. Shea butter, 1 tablespoon of it, 1 tablespoon, possibly if you can measure it, 1 grams of shea butter, ori. Okay, coconut oil, 10 ml of coconut oil. Coconut oil helps with prevention and eradication of white spots, stretch marks. So coconut oil, 10 ml of coconut oil. Rescue oil or recovery oil, not the boats, just one of these. You can use one of these. 5 ml of rescue oil or recovery oil. Then you put any of this oil, this vitamin C ampoule, 5 ml. You can either put this one, or you can put any of the Vit Gold oil, like this kojic acid oil, any of the Vit Gold oil to help with glowing of the skin. Trust me, when notice there's a lot of oils in this formulation. That's because it's going to help with moisturizing your skin and hydrating your skin. So any of these Vit oils is fantastic. Just 5 ml of that, okay? So you put all your ingredients together in a bowl, and you use your stick blender to blend together, especially because of the shea butter. You're not going to melt the shea butter. That's why you're going to use your stick electric blender to blend everything together. And if it's too thick, you can add little bits of distilled water or rose water or any floral water. So just add according to the consistency you want, as thick as you want it to be. But with this recipe, I assure you that you will not have any challenges, sorry, reactions with the white spots, white dirt, stretch marks. And even if you do have stretch marks already, I think this will help because of the shalom oil, the rescue oil, the shea butter, and the coconut oil. It will help diminish the appearance of shea butter. Try this, guys, and let me know what you think. I want to see your result, please. All right. So just so you know, this lotion, you cannot use it on your face, only for your body. You have to use it at night alone, but you can use it in the daytime, okay? If you must use it twice a day, say in the daytime and the nighttime, I would suggest in the daytime, after you apply the lotion, you make sure you apply sunscreen on any exposed part of your body. Please, 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 kindly, because we're dealing with a very cream that is high on steroids here, and we're just trying to be cautious. So yeah, please endeavor to put on your sunscreen on any exposed part of your body. And with that, let's know how it goes for you. With that, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please follow the instructions accordingly. Please, I beg you. We know that CARO White is a bad boy, okay? Please follow this recipe accordingly, follow the measurement accordingly, and follow the steps I give you. You will love your result. But if you use it as the way I instructed, and you still do not get your desired result, then stay away from it. Just stay away from it, okay? But if you use it and it's good, just mix a little quantity, okay? If you mix that quantity, you use it for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, max 3 weeks, okay? If you love your result. But I must warn you, this mixture is not something that you can use for a long period of time. The max I can say you can use, because when these people send these messages to me, most of them said it's cheaper, it's a cheaper, and I get it, it's cheaper. So once you attain the skin tone that you want, please go for something better. Please do not use this mixture for too long. Use it for at least 2 months. If by 2 months you get the skin tone you want, then stop using it and go for something better, okay? This is just a cheaper version, a cheaper way to start your lightening journey. So guys, I will leave it here, and I thank you guys for tuning in. Please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.